Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this one, we are going to be discussing about SimpleTexting platform, and this is yet something that you can use for best texting service for small businesses. So if you are using something small and you have a business that you want to manage, this platform is going to be for you. Now also talking about the link in the description that you can access to get exclusive benefits and rewards. Also extended free trial on this platform, so make sure to give it a try. Now this is an amazing service because it have everything you need to start texting for your business. Now a lot of business needs communication for their clients to business owner communication, and this is going to be assisting you with managing all that. Now what is great about this platform is if you scroll a little bit down is you can incorporate different automations on this platform. If you want to incorporate Zapier, now Zapier is one of the most effective and one of my favorite workflow generating software that we can use, and you can incorporate that with SimpleTexting and have the most benefit for you. So make sure to give it a try and check out its features. Now it has a lot of positive reviews, like for example, great for small businesses, texting services for teams, and also other people say it's great for small businesses and great texting service, easy to set up, responsive CS team. And if you scroll a little bit down, you will see even more detailed positive reviews about this platform. Like for example, SimpleTexting is exactly what it promises, simple. So quite nice. Make sure to give it a try using the link in the description, which can help you get exclusive benefits and rewards, also extended free trials on this software. So make sure to give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and see you in the next video.